Question 4 of this exercise says a chord of a circle of radius 10 cm subtends a right angle at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment major sector. Use pi equal 3.14. So let's find the area of the major sector first of all, that is OACB, and if this angle is 90 degree, which means that angle is basically 360 minus 90, which is same as 270 degrees, and we know the formula to find the area of a sector, that is theta divided by 360 degree multiplied by pi r square, and we know the value of theta, the angle of major sector, that is 270 degrees divided by 360 degree multiplied by the value of pi is given, that is 3.14, and radius is 10 centimeter. And on solving this, we will get the area of the major sector OACB, that equals to 235.5 square centimeter. Now in the next part we have to find the area of the minor segment. So to find the area of the minor segment, we can find the area of the minor sector, and after finding the area of the minor sector, we can subtract the area of triangle from it. So we'll get the area of the minor segment, that is in yellow. So let's find the area of the minor sector, that is OADB. So we know the formula to find the area of sector, that is theta divided by 360 multiplied by pi r square. And we know that minor sector subtends 90 degree. So it will be 90 degree divided by 360 degree multiplied by the value of pi is 3.14 and radius is 10 square. And on solving this, we will get 1/4 multiplied by 3.14 and multiplied by 10 and 10. And on further solving this, we will get the final area of the minor sector OADB as 78.5 square centimeter. Now let's find the area of triangle OAB. So we know the formula to find the area of triangle, that is half into base into height. So half, the base is basically OA and height is OB. So it is half into, we know the value of OA, that is 10. We also know the value of OB, that is also 10. And on solving this, we will get the area of triangle as 50 square centimeter. So we have the area of minor sector, that is 78.5 square centimeter. We have the area of triangle, that is 50 square centimeter. So we can find the area of minor segment. So it will be 78.5 minus 50, which is same as 28.5 square centimeter. So that is the area of the minor segment ADBA.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.